Today we're at the Stortz residence in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. Through a contest ran in conjunction with 107.1 The Boss, we're here installing a performance-grade carrier heating and air conditioning system. Once again, at AJ Perri, we love to do these installations for the veterans, for people that have given to our country, and we like to give back to them as a company.
We are the Stortzes. I'm Andrew Stortz.
I'm Alexa Stortz.
I did 4 years in the Marine Corps. I was an artilleryman. I was stationed in Hawaii. I did multiple deployments. I went to Japan, Korea, got out in 2015, and now I just graduated the Port Authority Police Academy. And that's the new journey that we're on, so we're super excited, and this just makes, everything just fit right now, so everything's looking good.
My sister decided to submit Andrew for everything that he does. If anybody that knows him knows that he's just a wonderful person all around. He would do anything for anybody, and he has done everything for everybody. We found out that he was placed in the top 3. And then from there, we posted and posted and posted, told our friends, our family, and we won. We haven't even been in the house a year yet, and we actually almost didn't buy this house because of the furnace being so old and the air conditioning unit being so old. Buying a house as a young couple, a veteran family, is just really challenging.
We're fortunate enough to do this program to appreciate the men and women who wear the uniform in our country. And it's fantastic that he just graduated from the police academy and joining our police force. So it makes it even more special to be able to provide that.
High efficiency air conditioning, high efficiency heat for the house. Is that your existing thermostat, or did they already?
That's ours.
That's ours.
All right, we're actually gonna put a new Nest. You already have the app set
right
up.
now. I'm so excited.
You're gonna have the one where you have the home away feature, where you can actually set the parameters on it, where if you drive within 10 miles of the house, it's gonna go into your set points if you want that.
It's really fantastic. The employees support this program and get really excited about it when we do it. I'm the spokesman for it, but I'm really speaking for 350 employees at AJ Perri who really support this program. So each time we do it, they get really excited.
It actually is a kind of a pride thing with the guys that do these. They actually will fight to do these jobs. They love doing them because their belief is so strong in what we do as a company as a whole.
This is a blessing for us.
Big
We're
time.
so happy. Couldn't be happier.